Hello everybody and welcome to yet again another tornado siren test. Today is July 2nd of 2022 and we are in Wayne, Michigan, city of Wayne, and we have a Federal Signal Modulator tornado siren here. It's about to go off in a minute or so. So let's just cut to the chase. Let's get to it right now. So here we go.
This is a test of the City of Wayne Emergency Outdoor Broadcast System. This is only a test. This is a test of the City of Wayne Emergency Outdoor Broadcast System. This is only a test.
Alright guys, and there you guys have it. The Federal Signal Modulator tornado siren test in the city of Wayne. I gotta say, this one was definitely a little bit louder than that 2810 that I filmed over at the Michigan Avenue road. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That will be it for now. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.